That is them are across the road. Speed and come. Speed come. Want to get and take a tour as well. Why not? Why you can't walk on grass? Alright, let's do this.
What's up?
Nothing. There.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we're at Malika's new school. If you guys know anything about Canada or probably even the US, you have to go to the school that's closest to where you live. So because we moved last November, as you guys know, we're now outside of the zone of where Malika's school was. So which is why we have to be driving so much. But now we're gonna be transferring her to this new school, which is just 3 minutes away from where we live. Or less. From where we live. So today is actually the last day of school for this grade 1 term. So Malika has now completed grade 1. Today is our last day. And then she'll be coming to this new school in September. So Nats has scheduled a tour of this new school. So we're gonna go in and see what this new school is like, what it has to offer, and just to see if we like it. So come along, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, smash a like on the video, and drop a comment. All right, guys, let's go and see what the school looks like. Well, first things first, this school is much, much bigger than Malika's tiny school, which is very cozy, by the way. Probably this is too big for her. What do you think?
I think it's gonna be an adjustment at first, but she'll get over it.
She'll get over it?
She'll get over it. It's gonna be an adjustment because it's big.
It's big.
Yeah.
So this is our neighborhood, guys. So this is our neighborhood school. Do they give you a time to come or anytime?
Oh, she just called and said that I could just come in before school is out.
Where's the after starter?
No, at the front there. Speak to the admin assistant and tell her to give me a phone.
Okay.
She was really nice.
Miss King?
I was just asking her some questions and stuff like that. I asked her if I could be an EA at the school. She was like, I don't think the district will approve of that.
Why not? Why the district wouldn't approve of this?
Yeah, the school division, the public school division would approve. Why? Because it's my child. Conflict of interest, I don't know.
You're gonna be biased towards the child?
Well, no one can push her.
Visitor sign in here.
I know how to push her.
Gotcha.
Push her.
Hello. Much bigger. Yeah. I hear that there's a lot of programs here.
That's what I heard as well.
Yeah. And they are very inclusive of kids with special needs. So
Okay.
it's probably not just
Another student.
yeah.
So this is the main entry. If they come in, if your daughter comes in late, they sign in there, and then they come to. Into
So
the
like
school.
she'll be going in grade 2. Does she come through this door right here?
No, I'll show you the door.
Okay.
She'll come in. So this is our library. No one's in there right now, but it's a nice library. Yes.
Okay.
And then, well, this will be the wing grade 2 is in.
Okay.
So basically, this is where she'll live, in this end of the school.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And is there one grade 2? How many grade 2s? Just
There's
one?
3, I
3
believe.
grade 2s, okay.
Okay, so then here we have, this is kindergarten. This is the kindergarten area.
Gotcha.
Yep, and then in here we have like a sensory room, bathroom. That's kind of more staff related. But
Yeah.
it's I don't know. She probably won't need that.
Oh, she probably does. She is autistic. She's
Okay.
special needs.
Well,
Yeah.
let me just show you that then.
Yeah, this is specifically for her.
Okay, very good. Come on in then.
But she's also nonverbal, so.
Okay, so then this is the bathroom. This is another sensory room. Right now it's in disarray because we're just cleaning everything.
Gotcha.
Then in here we have the sensory room, also disarray. We're lysoling everything. But
Yeah.
yes, and there's a ton of other things we have, like a lot of like the body bags, and there's a lot of accessories that we have as well. But it's just kind of in disarray. Sorry, it's not
Yeah, that's
in
okay.
pristine order, but it's because
Yeah.
we're cleaning.
Yes. feeling out school is about to go out.
School too, so totally understand.
And then in here we'll have Miss Johnson and another classroom, grade 1. Miss Hanson, grade 1.
Oh, quite a few grade ones.
This is the bathroom area. So this on this side is boys.
Mm-hmm.
This side is girls. So it's very handy for her classroom.
Gotcha.
This is not her entry. This would be for like the junior highs and the grade 1s. Is
Okay.
that their entry? So here, this is the grade 2 wing.
Okay. Oh,
Oh, we're just
that's
giving a
okay.
tour.
So, oh, sorry.
That's okay.
Probably shouldn't be throwing your
Where are you going with your airplanes?
We were going to throw it down that way, but that's okay. We can wait. That's not a problem.
We'll just be real quick.
Okay,
Yeah.
not a problem.
So,
Sorry,
this
last
is
day of school we do weird things.
Oh, absolutely.
their daughter is coming to grade 2
Yeah.
next year.
Yeah.
So this is a grade 2 classroom here,
Mm-hmm.
and they're just celebrating.
It's the last day of school. Everyone's so happy.
That's another grade 2
I'm
classroom.
another grade 2 teacher, the one that throws airplanes at the air.
So this would be where her locker would be.
Okay.
And this in here is kindergarten. So there's a kindergarten and then just grade 2 in this section. So it's kind
Gotcha.
of nice to be all kind of like alone.
Close, yeah.
Another classroom. And then this will be her entrance.
Oh, I see.
Unless you want her to come in the front door if she has an EA.
Well, she will have an EA, but the EA could meet her here too. That's okay.
Yeah, whatever works and whatever's best for your child. But this will be the grade 2 entrance. And ISC.
Okay.
Upstairs is 5 and 6, and then upstairs over here is 7 and 8. Upstairs in the common area, there's like an art room, a science room. Typically, grade 2s don't go there much. If you want, we can just take a look up there and you can see what's up there. Hey, great. So sometimes they come up here and use the common area,
Okay.
just like
Just a tour if they want to go for a walk or whatever.
So this is just like.
Hmm? Yeah. That's okay. So, what do you think about the school?
It's big. For me, it's noisy because there's a lot of kids, but I like the school.
Yeah, let's walk.
I like the school.
Yeah, I like it too.
I like it. It's gonna, for me, I think all the noise and stuff will be a little overwhelming at first,
Yeah.
but you adjust.
I like the fact that there's a lot of programs and other kids with needs. So it's not unique to her. So that's good. Yes, guys, so this is Malika's new school. This is where she'll be coming in September. We were a little bit nervous at first, but after meeting with the teachers and getting the tour, seeing how the school set up, we're kind of like very comfortable. I'm even excited for her to start and integrate and you know, reach our full potential. That is it. Yeah. So what next for the day?
I'm about to go on the road, do some girly things.
Some girly things. That's kind of subjective. What are girly things?
So I'm going to do my eyelash.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm going back to work. Thank you guys so much for watching this short video. See you guys in the next video.